Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, low-fat, super tasty, super healthy, super easy chocolate chip cookies made with healthy turmeric, but taste so good and are so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 1½ cups of almond flour into a bowl. Along with 1½ cups of oat flour. And a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, mix it. Now add a ½ cup of maple syrup. And 6 tablespoons of plant-based milk. Mix it again until a dough forms. Add a few dark chocolate chips. Form the cookies with wet hands. Then bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And enjoy super tasty and super healthy cookies! Thanks for watching.